After months of riding, a thin layer of black stains will appear between the metal contacts on the battery cap and yellow areas on the printed circuit board causing poor conduction. Without cleaning, the annoying phenomena of power spikes will happen. The following tip of cleaning black stains may help you resolve the annoying phenomenon. Vector 3 and 3S. Cleaned and care. Tools: 4mm Allen wrench, cotton swab, rubbing alcohol, conductive grease. Remove the battery cap with a 4mm Allen wrench by rotating counterclockwise. And remove the batteries. Use a cotton swab, dip it with rubbing alcohol, and rub off the black stains on both yellow areas as well as the two contacts on the both sides of the battery cap. Put the first battery back into the battery cap. Take a new cotton swab, dip it with small amount of conductive grease, and apply it on the surface of the first battery and the two contacts. Put in the other battery. Then apply a small amount of conductive grease on its top. Now, let's put back the battery cap. First, hand tighten the battery cap back into the pedal body by 2 rounds. Then tighten the battery cap using the 4mm Allen wrench. If you have a torque wrench, then tighten the battery cap to 2 nanometers. If your device is Vector 3S, there's no battery component in the right pedal. We recommend you to clean the stains and lubricate them every 3 months. If your riding bias is 10 times a week or 400 kilometers a week, you can also check the condition every time you replace new batteries.